So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 16-foot Oculus Quest 2 link cable. Now this has an intelligent chip, stable connection, and it is 16 feet long. It's compatible with the Oculus Quest 2. And of course, here is some tips, and let's open it up. Seal to break here, and there we go. Wow, very nice looking cable so far. Let's slide it out. And that's it for the box. Wow, very, very nice. So look at this. It comes with this nice tie to tie up the cable. You're well connected. Chip is inside here, 16 feet. Very, very nice filling cable. And then of course, this end as well, where the USB-C connector is, nicely protected. A very, very good quality cable, I think. I mean, if anything, this is one of the best feeling cables I think I've ever felt, but VR needs some high quality cables, so that must be why. This is 16 feet long, so it will reach a good ways. I mean, you know, that's like 3 people basically laying back to back to back. So very, very nice cable. Love the quality, love that it's braided. That means that a dog or animal shouldn't be able to chew through it as easy and destroy it, so that is always great. So special thanks to AM Lifestyle for sending this 16-foot Oculus 2 cable to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.